very first place I recommend that you guys go and find affiliate offers. You go to a website called OfferVault right here. You type in pay-per-call offers. You're going to get a lot of really good networks, and you're basically going to apply for these networks here, if that makes any sense. So it's that easy. There's plenty of networks to choose from. They pay quite a bit with commissions here. Another way to find affiliate offers, pay-per-call offers, is, like I said, I like to run pay-per-call offers. I think this is probably the best way for beginners to start. You typically get better conversion rates, things like this. Another place I like to find offers is Affiliate Plus. We just type in pay-per-call, and you're going to be able to find a list of different networks that you can join. My favorite network of all time is Astoria Company. They offer really good offers, and the commissions are pretty high. So I was running a Boy Scout abuse promo number from here, and I was getting really good conversion rates with Google Call Only ads. I have free information on my channel to show you how to do that, which is pretty cool. We just look at the overview of this. We can see that I was running it this year, that I had one offer that was converting at $12.50 per call, conversion rate of 10%, $500 commission earned. So yeah, Astoria Company is definitely a really good company network for pay-per-call offers here.